Hi, this is Abdul Malik from Marameen Academy, and this is another video tutorial for the marameen.com. In this video, we will be looking at how to set up a YouTube account. In case you don't know what YouTube account is all about, YouTube is an online video platform that allows users to share videos all over the world. It doesn't really require any computer coding or any professional computer skill to set up a YouTube account. In this video, I'm going to show you all the steps you need to set up your own professional, good-looking YouTube account from the scratch to the finish. Let's look at example of how YouTube will look. Head to your internet browser and open it. Hopefully you are using Google Chrome because that's my favorite. But if you are not, it's okay. You can use any browser of your choice. Go ahead and type in YouTube. Click the YouTube link. That is it. This is the YouTube environment, so beautiful, with a lot of video, with over 1.9 billion active user monthly. This is Marameen account. You can see how beautiful it is, with social media buttons, subscription button, so beautiful. Everything looks nice. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you are going to have a professional, good-looking YouTube account of your own, just like this Marameen account. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, enable our notification, like our videos, share our videos with family and friends. In order to set up a YouTube account, you need a Gmail account. If you already have a Gmail account, that's fine. Go ahead and sign into your Gmail account. But if you don't have any, don't worry. I'm going to take you through these few simple steps to set up your Gmail account. Gmail is totally free from Google. Again, go ahead and open your internet browser. Type in Gmail sign up in the search box. Click the link, create Gmail account. Click create account. Type in your first name. Type in your last name. Type in your username. This username is what you'll be using to log in whatever you want to log into your Gmail account. The username can be anything, just the way you want it, your name you want. Type in your password. Retype in your password in the confirmation box. You can toggle between hide and see password by clicking on this show password. Check or uncheck as the case may be. Ensure that your password and confirm password matches. Click next to continue. You can see the highlighted red. This means the minimum requirement character for your password must be at least 8 characters. Let's just add some character to this password. Click next to submit. Select your country from the country list. Type in your phone number for verification. Enter the verification code sent by Google. In my own case, I already have this. Follow the instruction to continue and successfully log in. Awesome, you now have a Gmail account. With your Gmail account, you can now set up your YouTube account in just a minute. Of course, you want to see how your YouTube account will look like. Watch this video to the end. We will be right back. Now that you have successfully created your Gmail account, you need to sign into this Gmail account to connect your YouTube account. Again, if you already have signed in into Gmail account, that's just fine. But if you are not, don't worry. I'm going to take you through these few steps to sign into your Gmail account. Go ahead and open your browser. Type in Gmail sign in. Click on sign in Google account. Type in your username. Remember, this is the name you have used for your registration. Google automatically shows you your name, your first name. You can see the first name at the top and your Gmail address behind it. Type in your password. Click next to log in. That's it. This environment, you have logins into your Gmail account. You can see your welcome back and your name appears on top. You can view anything you want to do there, have some item to select and work on. This is Gmail account. Now that you have successfully logged into Gmail account, you need to connect your YouTube account. Head to the right corner of your YouTube. Click on the app icon. Select YouTube from the list. Wow, this is the environment. That is it. You now have a YouTube account of your own with your initial at the top right corner of your account. You can always click on this initial to view your items. This is Marameen's account. See how beautiful it is, as we saw earlier on. This is it. You have successfully created your YouTube account. Congratulations.